Hi and welcome to Trendy's Short Hairstyles Lookbook. Get only the best short hairstyles and haircuts pictures from this channel. Remember to watch video till the end. Also remember to leave us a like and get subscribed to get more as we upload daily. Thank you. Hi dear beautiful ladies, thank you so very much. This is an extremely beautiful short haircut, of course natural. You can find 80 plus amazing black women low maintenance short haircuts and hairstyles, picture ideas right here. This is a very unique color on a matured lady. Beautiful temper fade cuts ideas, lovely inspiring natural short hairstyles to give you a wonderful and amazing look. We do encourage you to watch this video through the end. Of course, this is a very lovely and amazing video to help guide you into making a very beautiful and amazing choice of style, especially if you maintain a simple as well as natural hair complete. You can also find one or two hairstyles and haircuts if you relax your hair. Lovely and amazing one or two with style haircuts as well within this video. It's all about you at the end of the day, and of course giving you the best idea is what we care about on our platform today. You can definitely find styles to encourage you into wearing a short hair look. A lot of women are jumping on style trends like this, haircuts to give you a very unique and amazing look. We do encourage you always to check out our previously uploaded or previous videos that you missed out on. You may or may not have missed out on them, especially if this is your first time. Of course, you missed out on a lot, and of course we encourage you to check out our short form videos as well. You can also check out our community posts. We have lots of amazing pictures right there to encourage you, of course, into styling your hair in a very beautiful and amazing style or way. You can simply take a screenshot of any of your chosen style right here, and of course look absolutely stunning and beautiful. Go right ahead and subscribe, leave us a like and share your thoughts. Remember to press the notification bell to get updates from us. Don't forget to check out what we will be bringing forward to you all the time. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye. video, watch the previous as well as the next video, get subscribed, leave us a like and also comment on our description tab.